What is your bond today?
I really feel like I'm living with a flatmate.
Yeah.
You know, really.
A lot of things happened, and my father thought that now is the right time at the ripe age of 17 to get her married. रणबीर कपूर has मतलब पापा को लेटर भेजा कि आपकी बेटी को तो हमने चूज कर लिया हिना के लिए. पापा was like मेरी बेटी 6th standard में है. वो एक नया लड़का आए में है, वो उसके एक्टर हैं. आ जाइए. सलमान भाई. Yeah.
Do you two, discuss your relationships?
It's very irritating. I didn't want to tell her. When I had my first boyfriend, she just knew.
On camera, I would like to say, Himesh Reshammiya ji, you were right. It is complicated. मुझे लगता है मेरे लिए अभी कोई स्पेशल बन रहा है ऊपर. The more you wait, the hot you date. मेरे वाला
Oh, wow! I think there was an interview where a woman said that Shah Rukh Khan ruined my life. Because he romanticized men like so much. I think it's that.
वो वाले men किधर हैं?
नहीं है. I'm just doing it for fun, you know. Like, how can I tell you that I'm just with you for fun? I thought you were in love with me, you know. Like, why did you say you love me?
How was I know you've not spoken about this a lot, but how was the time when you were married?
Many months, I don't think even she knows it, where I would just cry randomly, and like my poor boyfriend would like just be sitting there looking at me like it's okay, and I'm like, no, it's not okay. What is okay? And
But
then
you
I'm
were
like,
very
why?
strong.
I'd gone to my friend's sister's wedding. Suddenly, everyone's like looking at mom. She's dancing.
Her friends, they used to be like, they would not leave me alone because I was on some other trip only.
There is DIY for everything. For a hair mask, for a face mask, for a feet mask, for a hand mask. What is that oil that you... It's not a competition.
I've got these messages and everything on my DM, and there were like 1 or 2 guys. Oh, he loves me not. He loves me not. You say, na, this is such a easy question. You go for it. I'll take the tough ones.
Welcome to Humans of Bombay, Rukhsar and Aisha. And both of you look so pretty. I'm so happy to have you.
Thank you so much, and you're looking gorgeous.
Yeah, thank you for having us.
Mutual Appreciation Club. We started out on that note. But I've seen so much of your journey. I've watched your videos, and it's just amazing the kind of bond that you have. Even the little time that we've had interacting with each other right now, like it's very cute and very like informal.
Don't be fooled by it. That's not what it is like every day. But no, I think it is pretty much like that in person as well. Yeah.
So what's it like? What is your bond today? How would you categorize it? Because it doesn't look just like mother-daughter. It looks like there are many layers to it.
It has. And we are slowly but surely peeling one layer at a time, which we were not doing when
I was growing up. Yeah, it's actually very funny because it's the first time mom and I have started living together, like just the two of us in life. Yeah, and there are a lot of times, so we used to never fight, you know, like we've never had arguments, or we've never had like disagreements. So now that little bit also I get upset about something and I'll just do like that, and then I feel very guilty about it. And my friends around me are very confused. They're saying, you know, like it's okay to fight with your mother, right? Is it okay? Quite a few of them. They're like, yeah, most of them. I tell them, no, I got upset with mom and I left the house and I'm feeling bad now. They're like, oh, it's normal hota hai na?
Yeah.
Like, you know, like mothers and daughters fight. Like that's what you do, right? And I'm like, no, I don't understand that, because we've just. It's also like a very. There is friendship, but there's also like a line that you do not cross, because then suddenly I get the big eyes. So it's interesting. It is also very formal at times, and then suddenly it's so informal, you know, like you don't know what is happening at what point. But I think what I really, really appreciate is that what I've been told since my childhood, that there has to be respect.
Yeah.
You know, like you can say whatever, do whatever, but you don't cross a line where there is disrespect. Like it's I don't know how to put it across, matlab, you know, like there are times that I show memes that have like galis and all, but you can't talk badly to each other, you know, like it's, I feel like it's very real, you know, that's what I would like to say, I think.
And when is it formal or informal? In what situations is it formal between the two of you and informal?
I think when we are talking about certain people in my life or
or when we are going for podcasts. Then suddenly we're very formal. We're like, gee, okay.
It makes me feel really bad.
No.
no, but one thing I like respect, and respect doesn't mean कि आप जनाब आप बैठिए आप खाइए आप जाइए टाइप, but there should be a line कि आप ये चीज़ आप अपने फ्रेंड को नहीं बोल सकते, किसी को भी आप किसी की डिसरिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. Now having said that, if somebody is fighting, somebody is angry, or that's another thing. But ये नहीं कि आप हर तीसरे चौथे दिन डिसरिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हो अपनी फ्रेंड की या घर में आप बेकार की चीज़ें बोल रहे हो. So that is one thing I think we both like and we both have. Otherwise, everything
We're
is
also
fine.
both like super non-confrontational people.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, yeah.
if
Yeah.
we're upset with
Yeah.
each other, we just don't talk. And then suddenly we're like absolutely fine. You know, so many times like if I'm upset, she says something and I'm so upset and I go in my room and I'm like telling my friends all like, I'm so pissed with mom. She's doing this. And she'll come back to me and she'll say something. I'm like, Ji ma, ji, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, you know, like, but we both know that like things
Yeah.
that upset each other.
Yeah.
So it is coming back to your question, I think it is a very friendly bond that we have right now.
Yeah.
And we're also like learning a lot about how to deal with each other and what, like, yeah. I
And
think
how to
that's-
deal with people in each other's life.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Do you
also.
feel like roommates?
Yeah.
Like, you know,
I
Yeah.
have
you-
never like been in that
you
situation.
have like roommates when you're in college or you go to boarding
Yeah.
school. We've been to
Yeah.
boarding school.
Yeah, I really feel like I'm living with a flatmate.
Yeah.
You know, really. It's true. Like we have our own responsibilities.
Yeah,
It's
that's
like
true.
split very well.
Yeah.
Ki these are the things that mom does.
Hmm.
These are things that I have to look into.
Yeah.
And anytime like I have to do what mom is supposed to do, I get very flabbergasted. Like I don't know how to deal with it. And I think it's the same vice versa.
Give me an
And,
example.
In the morning, I got a text. She was getting ready and she said, "Will you please ask the AC person to get the machine back?" I was like, yes.
yeah, and
But
I
in your
think
head, you're like, this is your department.
no, but she knows the AC guy.
Yeah,
they
yeah,
have an
yeah.
equation. So I'm like,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
this is
it
your,
is.
why do I have to remind you about this? And you know,
Yeah.
like a lot of things that she has to tell me, कुछ बैंक का ये नहीं हुआ.
Yeah.
Eventually, I go crying to her only कि ये नहीं हो रहा और ऐसे नहीं हो रहा, and then she'll be like, yeah, I'll do it, don't worry.
Yeah.
But I'd like to think I have it under control. But yeah,
That's very cute. And when you guys are like living together, and you know, obviously you have different people in your life. You have different people in your life. How does
Oh,
that
yeah.
interfacing happen? Like, are people over all the time? Like, draw me a little bit of a picture of what the house situation is like right now.
I think there are people always over, na? Like
Over, yeah.
somebody or the other
Somebody
is
or the
always
other.
there. Yeah.
We like it. I like it that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
And are friends with everybody? Like your friends, her friends, like everybody is friend. How is it?
Yeah.
Friends, as in I am like friends to them, but it's not like
It's not-
the equation is not what
No,
they
no,
share
she
with
is very,
Aisha.
please don't try to act all mature and all. She is very friendly. And actually what she does is, when her friends are over and she wants a break from them, she'll just get up and leave and go to the room.
Yeah, I do.
I'm sitting and entertaining
Sorry.
all of them. Some of them obviously I've known for very long, so I'm okay with. Some people she's only just met. Now I'm sitting in between 5 people and I'm looking at them and being nice. I was like,
And I'll be in my room.
आराम से लेट के she's on her phone. Like, and when my friends come over, obviously, like she knows all of them, and
Oh,
we
yeah,
like
I
we're
love
all,
them.
Yeah, she actually does, and they really
Love
love
them.
her. Yeah, and we always have someone or the other over, like at all given point of time. Like there's someone at home. Like even now we had a Eid party. And because I was the one who was like looking at like food and all the things that had to come in, and she was taking care of like how the house is looking and all of those things. Suddenly at one point, I'm looking around the 20 people in the house and I'm like, where's mom? Where is she? And I've gone looking for her. I thought something, I don't know where she's gone because sab to yahan pe hai. Where is she? I've gone in pair utha ke. She's lying on the bed on her phone. I said, क्या हो गया? She's like, नहीं वो ना मैं कुछ actually photos देख रही थी, काम की photos है इसलिए. Then after 1 hour I've gone again, she's disappeared and I'm in between like 30 people. So yeah, she does that.
Hi guys, I hope you're enjoying the podcast, but I'm going to stop you here because I've noticed that so many of you watch our podcast but don't subscribe. So please pause this video here and go and hit that subscribe button because it really helps us grow. And with your support, we want to bring you many more fantastic conversations. Thank you. And with that, let's get back to the podcast. And how much of your life, prior to when you had Aisha, or of course you guys have spoken about when you were 19 and you took her and you left. How much of your life prior does she know, and how do you guys discuss it or keep each other in tune of who you were before you became her mother, even?
I think she knows most of the
Yeah.
things before I was her mum or before I got married. I was a very naughty person.
Okay.
So बहुत सारे किस्से आयशा को पता है and जो भी थोड़ा बहुत हुआ था, I think she knows everything about that.
Yeah, because she only laughed one day randomly and I look at her, I'm like, why are you laughing? She's saying, पता है उस टाइम ना जब मैं इतने साल की थी और फिर ये हुआ था और फिर नानी ने ऐसा कहा था, नाना ने ऐसा कहा था. So she actually, we both do really love talking. I think you can tell that by now. And she is somebody who really, really, I think, holds the past very close to her, her growing up years. And also I grew up in UP, in my Nana Nani's house.
Yeah.
So we've had a very similar childhood, but वो same log the, but the equation was very different, right? Because like her cousins, to me, they were all my mamas and all of that. And I had a different bond with them. And she tells me that child. So that's like one place where we connect actually. Like I think growing up in Rampur is one thing that keeps us sort of together. So I know like how they were with her, and then I tell her how they were with me. And there's so many times she's like, what? So person said this to you, and वो तो ऐसा था जब छोटा था उसके साथ हमने ये किया था. So I think that's why I know a lot of stories like of when she was younger. And also she is very close to her childhood friends. So Rampur is actually this like thing.
Rampur is like my hometown is like this glue which is
Kept all of us
bonding.
together,
Lot of people, but I have not been there since last 11 years, since my father passed away, and then my mother, my grandmother. It has changed. Those people are not there. I'll go with the same expectations कि वो होगा, यहाँ ये होगा, वो होगा. So I don't want to actually break that memory.
It's beautiful in your
memory. It is.
Yeah, I totally get that. You feel that sometimes, and it's nice there.
No, so I went there recently. Actually, I was going to Nainital to shoot, and the person I did the music video with, he said, we'll cross Rampur. Do you want to go see what it's like? And I said, you know what, I'd love to go and see. And I was so excited. And we stopped, and there's this Rainbow Bakery that is, really popular. Like where that was the only bakery that we knew as kids, So if you've done something good, Rainbow ke wo biscuits aate the, we'll take you there. I went there, I saw it. And I thought I was going to cry and I was going to be so emotional. I was like, what is this place? This is not what I sent her a video. I said, Ma, ye kya hai? Ye to kuch aur tha. And then we were discussing how we thought it was.
Yeah.
But it's something different.
It's changed,
It's like those stairs, when you are small, you feel that these stairs are so big. दो सीढ़ी चढ़ के या कूद के जा रहे हैं. And when you are a grown-up person, you say, बस इतनी ही थी. So it's like that. So I didn't want to, and I don't want to break that
memory.
Yeah.
So tell us what you were like before. Tell us about your childhood. Tell us about how you grew up, and you can of course add your anecdotes as and when characters come up. But we've been a little picture for those.
So I was born after 10 years of my parents' shadi. So my father was an IAS officer, the city officer. So I wanted to become an IAS officer. उसकी पढ़ाई भी मैंने 8th 9th standard से start कर दी थी, but then Destiny had some other plans.
But you were also very good in studies.
Yeah.
Like
I used to love. Like I used to look forward to homework and writing.
She also told me कि when she was in school, I think आपने कहा था ना कि वो जो books के covers होते हैं उसको आप iron करती थी.
Yeah.
So they are like crisp and nice.
Yeah. So and I wanted to become an IAS officer. Then I did a film. A lot of things happened, and my father thought now is the right time at the ripe age of 17 to get her married.
Oh my God. It must have been tough and I don't think you've spoken a lot about this time, right? Like
Yeah.
before, like you, if you have a dream, to let that dream go at any age is just very tough.
Yeah.
How did you go from IS to a film? And
Yeah.
how did that happen?
Yeah. It's a very long story, but I'll just cut it short I'll just.
You can be as long as
Okay.
you want. We love details.
It will go long. If you
Yeah.
say that, it will be very long.
Yeah. So yeah.
Then there'll be details around all of it.
So there used to be these magazines called Shama and Sushma.
Okay.
So Sushma was Hindi and Shama was Urdu. And Idris Dehelvi, he was the owner of those magazines. And my one cousin used to read them. And एक दिन उसने कहा चलो हम लोग फोटो खींचते हैं. तो I said हाँ खींचते हैं. तो पापा के पास वो कैमरा था. किसी तरह से हम लोगों ने पिक्चर्स अपनी खींच ली एंड चुपचाप जाके वो प्रिंट करवा ली एंड शी सेड आई विल कीप द पिक्चर्स. आई सेड ऑफ कोर्स यू कीप द पिक्चर्स. एंड वन डे आई गेट माय फादर कॉल्स मी एंड ही सेज ये क्या है एंड आई वाज लाइक ये क्या है. तो ही सेड ये लेटर आया इदरीस के यहाँ से एंड so at that time I came to know my father to write these short stories in his free time and he used to
What? I had no
yeah he used to send it to Shama. So he knew Idris uncle. So he said क्या इदरीस का ये लेटर आया है तो आप लोग आपने अपने फोटो भेजे हैं उनको. I was like and my father was like 6'2". And normally his voice was like this. तो मतलब वो थोड़े गुस्से में थे. And my दादी and my mother everybody used. Then I had to say, I said कि फ़ोटो तो हम लोगों ने खिंचवाए थे but I took my cousin's name, मैं उनके पास थे. She wanted to send her pictures but to safeguard herself she sent my pictures also.
To be for what? To be printed in the magazine?
No, so there was an advertisement where Randhir Kapoor has told everybody कि they are searching for a girl for Hina.
अच्छा.
तो मेरी कजिन ने वो पढ़ के वो भेज दिया without even I think she must have not even realized कि क्या हो रहा है. तो उनका फिर लेटर इदरीस अंकल को गया. इदरीस अंकल ने मुझे मतलब पापा को लेटर भेजा कि आपकी बेटी को हो. तो हमने चूज़ कर लिया हिना के लिए. पापा वाज लाइक मेरी बेटी 6th स्टैंडर्ड में है. 2 years later इदरीस अंकल called पापा. तब तक फ़ोन आ चुके थे.
So wait, you were selected for Hina?
हिना yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
At how old?
I was in 6th मतलब 7th standard I was.
Like 12, 13.
Wow.
या पापा के पास आया कि अच्छा ठीक है अभी तो आपकी बेटी 8th 9th में होगी. पापा ने कहा हाँ 9th में एक फिल्म बन रही है सनम बेवफा. इट्स अ मुस्लिम थिंग एंड हीरोइन उसमें पूरे फुल स्लीव्स के कपड़ों में है. कुछ ऐसा नहीं है. वो एक नया लड़के का आए में है वो उसके एक्टर हैं. तो आप देख लीजिए कैसा आ जाइए. सलमान भाई सलमान खान आई मीन. या सो फिर हम चल दिए. अब तो बड़े हो गए थे. आई वेंट विद माई मदर बिकॉज पापा वॉज समवेयर पोस्टिंग पे थे.
And they were okay with you acting in the film?
हाँ in that film because I think इदरीस अंकल ने उनको वो कर दिया था कि बहुत अच्छी कहानी है औरतों के बारे में है and you know औरतों के हुकूक के बारे में.
Like the clothes won't be a problem.
हाँ जिसकी उन्हें फिक्र थी. We came here, we met सावन जी and उसका पहले स्क्रीन टेस्ट कहते थे उससे जो आजकल ऑडिशन होते हैं. And I realized कि अरे वाह I am तो actually good. और rather I realized that I am actually enjoying this. And पहले कैमराज होते थे वो फिल्म वाले तो वो जब ऑन करते थे तो उसमें से एक आवाज आती थी घर्र. तो बहुत से लोग उससे नर्वस होते थे. But when I face the camera I realized कि मुझे तो वो आवाज आ ही नहीं रही है.
Because at that time also you would talk and like.
हाँ मतलब yeah I really like felt कि यही तो बड़ी अच्छी चीज़ है. यही करेंगे हम विदाउट आस्किंग माई पेरेंट्स ऑफ कोर्स. सनम बेवफा का मुहूर्त भी होते थे तब.
अभी होते ना थोड़ा
मतलब अब तो बहुत वो होते थे. पहले तो वो they used to be huge. मतलब मुहूर्त होना आपका ज़रूरी है. वो सब हुआ एंड मेरा नाम रुखसार का रुखसार ही रखा गया उसमें. उसके बाद हम लोगों को 3, 4, 5, 6 दिन का ब्रेक था. उस टाइम पे पापा आ गए तो उन्होंने कहा कि भाई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है ये. एंड देन माय फादर सेड कि माय डॉटर इज अ माइनर.
I think something it just mentioned something that you can't have someone accompanying you.
Yeah, and नहीं, lot of things के महीने के 15 दिन हमारे होंगे, जो 15 दिन आप काम करोगे उसके 30% हमारे होंगे. Basically we left that film. Then we were staying at one place. So the DOP of that film was Manmohan Singh Saab, who used to shoot all of Yash Ji's films. He called my father. He said कि अब आप आ ही गए हैं तो मैं एक फिल्म कर रहा हूँ. It's a remake साउथ की फिल्म का. मैं आपको भेजता हूँ कैसेट VHS. आप देख लीजिए. तो पापा मम्मी सब हम लोगों ने देखे एंड आई वाज लाइक ये कैरेक्टर है. एंड आई टोल्ड माय मदर.
What film was it?
It was Mani Ratnam's. I forgot the name, but it was made by Mani Ratnam.
But what was the remake called then?
याद रखेगी दुनिया.
Oh.
Yeah, then I did that film, and that film was, see, I feel that from very beginning, South Indian films and the viewers were far ahead of us. तो वो फिल्म हमारे यहाँ के लिए शायद वो थोड़ी सी ahead of its time, वो तो कुछ नहीं. But then हाँ, I signed another film, and then another film. वो दूसरी फिल्म भी फिर रिलीज हो गई, बट इट वाज नॉट वेरी वेल मेड. तीसरी फिल्म
So this film was with Aditya Pancholi. The
Yeah.
second film was with Rishi Kapoor.
Rishi-
Did you audition for Bazigar or what was the?
दो उस जमाने में ऑडिशन नहीं होते थे. मतलब आपने एक एक्टर का काम देख लिया ना. So I was supposed to do a lot of films which I don't want to name here and feel not guilty bad about it.
And
but
this was how old were you?
I was like in 9th when I came.
9th only.
Yeah, because वो सब हुआ ना. and याद है कि दुनिया ने इंतहा प्यार की. They got shot साथ में ऊटी में. ऊटी was this hot spot at those times. But then my father decided one day that we are not doing this. He was not a very strict Islamic guy, but he was, I think, was worried about because people in a hometown and everywhere started talking. कि अरे इन्होंने तो अपनी बेटी को फिल्म्स में भेज दिया और ये तो मतलब all type of. So he said कि वापस चले गए. शादी हो गई.
And what was your childhood like? What do you remember?
I think it was super fun. Like I really enjoyed growing up in Rampur because you know, like when you're growing up with your parent, like there's that fear, there's that you know, like you have to listen to whatever they say. I was growing up with my nanny, who's supposed to be like second mom, so I could rebel. I could fight with her. I used to get my way around because I was with like my mom who was there, my nani, and everybody would spoil me. And I think everybody just thought कि इसकी माँ नहीं है इसके साथ, you know, so we have to give her extra love. So that really worked in my favor because whatever I'd want, I'd get it. It was really fun, I think. And I'm glad I actually grew up there because there was just so much more to do. Like, we'd go cycling for hours and hours, which like I don't think is something that can happen in Bombay, you know.
Where will you
like
cycle?
Where will you cycle? And
Jagah hi
also
nahi
like
hai,
people, you knew, like I think everybody knew each other in the mohalla, everybody in the city knew each other, कि कौन किसका बच्चा है. And people would look out for, you know, that small town, there's that like sort of charm about it. So we'd go like far away, then someone would catch us and bring us back saying that अरे ये वहाँ पे थी. We were cycling, I would fall down in nalas and like dirty alleys and they'd like pick me up from that and bring me back home. So I really like I miss it also, but I don't think I want to go back there. But
Me too.
I really cherish like growing up with my nanny. Like I think I was super close. Not I think I was very close to her, and it was nice.
Did you ever think to say that I don't want to get married or that मुझे यही काम करना है, or was that not an option ever?
No, not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all. I just spoke to my dadi when I was doing my first film, and my dadi said, and I think she told my father also कि पहले तो आप लोगों को वहाँ जाना ही नहीं था, और अगर वहाँ पर गए हो तो फिर अब अपना नाम इतना बड़ा करके आना कि वो हमेशा के लिए याद रखा जाए. But yeah, of course, it didn't happen.
How was the I know you've not spoken about this a lot, but how was the time when you were married? What was it defined by?
If I have to be brutally honest, my relationship with my father was not very peaceful. There were a lot of things happening, and I was in my teens, and I wanted to do films because I used to have this love with stage. Like when I'm on stage, I feel वो अच्छा खाना खा के you feel it's like that, you know. I was telling somebody कि like in my religion you are not supposed to bend down to anybody to touch their feet or anything, but I feel so much love for stage that before going I would be like nice. So that much love I have. So उस time मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि this is like magic, yeah. You become another person, and then everybody is pampering you because I was very young. Like Pran Saab is calling for something for me, and Pran Saab को हम लोगों ने बचपन मतलब मैंने क्या शायद मेरे पापा वगैरह ने भी अपनी जवानी से देखा होगा, and चिंटू जी who we used to like, you know. So but I couldn't say कि नहीं मुझे रुकना है और काम करना है. So when Aisha's father came in this picture, and he was very well to do. He was a very, very, very nice guy. My father was actually not ready because I was young, but then he said yes. And at that time, when I was like getting married, तो हमारे यहाँ वो माइयों बैठाया जाता है कि दुल्हन को कोई नहीं देखे, and वो उपटन लगाए जाते हैं घर में बने हुए and all of that. And for some स्ट्रेंज रीजंस, मुझे लगता है साइंटिफिक कोई रीजन होगा इसके पीछे कि दुल्हन को दूध जलेबी खिलाया जाता है. आई हैव नो क्लू व्हाई. मतलब राइट नाउ इफ समबडी टेल्स मी दूध जलेबी खा लो, आई विल स्लैप दैट पर्सन. मैंने इतनी दूध जलेबी खाई है एक ही शादी में.
No wonder I love दूध जलेबी.
Yeah,
I really love that combination.
I've never had it.
It's I think
Yeah,
very
it's
Is it
very
like jalebi rabdi?
No.
ठंडे दूध में गरम जलेबी.
Garim jalebi. Yeah, it is tasty actually. Come to think of it. So yeah, at that time I was like a little happy to like go away from that conversation and all that that environment and that whatever my relationship was, because I knew that अब वहाँ तो जाना है नहीं. Like I won't be able to act now. और अगर this actually a friend of mine told me कि you just, अब मुझसे तो पूछा ही नहीं था yes and no, but she said कि अगर कभी ऐसा हो तो just say yes, because if you'll get married here to anybody you don't know. But this in my hometown.
Oh, in your hometown.
Or somewhere closer.
My dad's
to,
from Bombay, so
Yeah.
Acha, okay.
So she said कि this guy is good, and so I just got married, and I was a little happy, and I was like feeling nice about it कि चलो इस माहौल से what I am going through with my father, वो चीज़ से I'll be away. So yeah, I got married. I was really very happy about clothes and jewelry, and I realized कि बिना कैमरे को फेस किए हुए मुझे लिपस्टिक लगाने को मिलेगी. So yeah.
What went wrong then?
I don't know, and I don't want to actually talk bad about or even a little negative about those people who are not here right now to defend themselves or to say कि नहीं हमारा ये मतलब नहीं था. So so like I was very young, and जो टाइम लड़कियों को उस ज़माने में किचन का सामान सिखाने में होता था, माई दादी वॉज टोटली अगेंस्ट के तुम्हें किचन में नहीं जाना, गए नहीं हो. तो आई डिडंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट किचन का क्या हो रहा है, एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी प्राउड दैट आज भी मुझे नहीं पता किचन में क्या हो रहा है. आई हैव kept that thing alive. तो वो नहीं आता था मुझे, तो आई यूज्ड टू गेट sarcasm for that. I used to get like I'm 17, 18. A child is born. I don't know how to take care of. But when they say कि जब आप के बच्चा होता है तो आपको खुद ही वो एक नेचुरल चीज़ है, आ जाता है.
Correct.
बट दैट हैपन्स स्लोली. वो नहीं कि आज आपको बच्चा पैदा हुआ एंड यू
You're a mother.
become
कि सब पता है
super
कैसे
mom.
करना है अब.
तो आप जान, एंड इवन इफ यू आर 30 एंड यू हैव अ चाइल्ड, थोड़ा आपको टाइम लगता है कि भाई अच्छा इस तरह करते हैं, अच्छा बीमार होता है तो ये करते हैं. So a lot of things, and I went into depression. I didn't know at that time that I was depressed, and I think I had postpartum. And my doctor, she told those people कि देखो postpartum एक चीज़ होती है, इसको हो रहा है बहुत major, because I have a history. But I think that got unresolved. और फिर उसकी वजह से बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई हैं.
I
And
think
yeah.
my 2 cents about this is that your beauty was like very threatening for people, is what I really feel. Like,
Okay, today I think I'm going to say one thing, and it's not that मैं अपनी तारीफें कर रही हूँ, but
करनी चाहिए.
yeah, it's valid.
नहीं, but my director Yael Faber, she directed us in a play called Nirbhaya. It was an international play. The producer was Scottish, and we like traveled with it all over the world. So she said कि at that time I still didn't understand what she's trying to say. She said, Rukhsar, you have this light, which maybe you will not have, your personal relationship will not be as good as जो लोगों के होते हैं. धीरे धीरे they'll go away, because you know people might feel कि अरे you know she's bees and amunis and इस तरह की चीज़ होगी. So now when I think about it, I feel कि शायद, so my like personal life has always been, it starts off as magic, but then I don't know what happens. So yeah, there though I was like, I thought कि if I'll stay here, I'll become insane. So I ran with her.
What was that last straw? वो जो breaking point कहते हैं ना कि मुझे अभी निकलना है. Also your brother was born at that point, and you only took her and left. What happened?
A lot of things were building up, and वो आप चाहे छोटे हो या बड़े हो, वो एक टाइम आता है ना कि build up, then you don't need a final nail in the coffin. You don't need that closure. So you just think कि भाई अब हम अपनी जो एक secure एक sanctuary जो है, let's go back there. So I took her, and believe me, I just took whatever I was wearing, shalwar kameez dupatta, and one gold chain I was wearing, and Aisha के थोड़े बहुत कपड़े थे मेरे पास. And yes, I called my this friend. So I called him. I said, भाई इन लोगों ने मेरी फ्लाइट बुक कर दी है, मैं आयशा को लेकर आ रही हूँ, तुम आओगे क्या वहाँ पर? He said, हाँ, I'll be at railway station, and I'll.
Oh really?
Yeah.
He was there?
Yeah. He took I had no money, so, and I was fasting. That's what happened. And once I reached home, I took 1 week, but yeah, then I started, you know, it's like कि धूल होती है ना, धीरे धीरे आप उसको साफ करो, and then you can see so I actually felt के, and then I came into my, not fully, but yeah, I started becoming better without medication. So yeah, that happened.
And how did people react when you reached home? Because back in the day, divorce and separation isn't what it is today, and it was far more tabooed. I think in parts it's still a little bit taboo.
Yeah, it
today.
still is.
Yeah, I don't think it's entirely gone.
No.
You know, one of my friends was telling me, somebody just casually introduced me and I said, "Ye divorcee hai," and she's like, "There are 100 things before
About her,
that I'm
yeah.
there. How can you classify?"
Yeah.
But that still happens today.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
So,
still happens.
what was the reaction? Was there a lot of pushback? Did anybody tell you go back?
Yeah. I don't want to name them, but
Yeah,
my
of course.
relatives. But my father told me to come back. I'll have to give it to him. He said, "नहीं, वापस आ जाओ तुम." And he was okay. He was more than happy because Aisha was there and she was, and he loved her. So 2-3 लोगों ने कहा कि नहीं देखो यहाँ का माहौल ऐसा है, वहाँ का तुम वापस चले जाओ. But then I was young, but there was this small corner in my brain which was very, like if I have फिर मैं अपनी भी नहीं सुनता काइंड्स, वो मेरे दिमाग में था कि आई एम नॉट गोइंग बैक. सो okay, coming back to why I took Aisha, why I didn't go alone or with another company. So I thought कि एक तो she was extremely pretty. She was like this.
And also very small. I think like just
small, and she was like this.
Yeah.
So I then I used to open my eyes in the morning. फौरन मैं इधर घूम के देखती थी कि, and I used to look at her and more than I think beautiful or pretty, she was this cute आटे का white flour का गोल सी चीज, and then her expressions and everything. So I realized कि I won't be able to live without her.
I was what, 3 months old, 4 months old?
No, you were 9-10 months old.
Oh, okay.
मतलब close to 1 year.
Okay.
So and I said I won't be able to live without her.
So you took.
हमारी चीज हम लेके जा रहे हैं. And I'm very happy that मालूम नहीं क्यों ये सब हुआ. I strongly believe in karma and destiny. वो लिखा हुआ था होना. But I'm very glad that Aisha stayed in that city because she has that balance. She is from Mumbai also, and she has the values of that place also.
Roots were there.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Like
Yeah.
since you
Yeah.
grew up there.
And my roots are, I don't know किस चीज़ से बांधे थे उन लोगों ने कि my heart is still and it always will be there.
Did you grow up with a lot of questions about your parents, about what happened, because typically there are questions, right?
Yeah.
And she was also away at that
Yeah,
point in
yeah.
time for work. So what was that narrative in your head?
You know, the thing is, when you're growing up in a small town or a town rather than a city, there's nothing, you're not mollycoddled in a way, you're not that protected. Matlab, whatever is the truth of it is told to you, nobody ever tried to cover up anything from me. Like in a city, you're more about, which is actually a good thing now, about mental health, about what should be told to a kid. मतलब बच्चों से ऐसे बात मत करो, बच्चों को ये मत बताओ. In Rampur, no one cared. They were like, इसकी माँ बाहर चली गई, वो भाग्या से भाग के आ गई थी, और ये हुआ था, वो हुआ था. So as a kid, I was really okay. I was like, okay, that's what's happened, and that's what it is. So there was there were no questions left because they were all answered.
There was no filter.
There was no filter, so there were no questions. So it was very like, I said, okay, this has happened, and it became very matter of fact,
Like
because
just normal. Like it's
Yeah.
like
it's normal
every day.
because
Yeah.
nobody was pitying me, because like it was never told to me like, oh, I'm so sorry this happened to you. And I was like, nahi, ye hua. And I was like, okay, ye hua. And that's that, I really used to try and tell, like sometimes really make myself feel bad that, your parents are not here, then this is happening and that is happening. And then I would go to my nani and say, mere saath to aisa ho gaya. Or my nanny would really be like, what is wrong with you? Like everything is normal. Like, everything is fine. And I was like, huh. So
That's
I
actually
think,
true.
yeah. So I think it was normalized the way it was.
And you didn't miss your father also.
No, you will miss something that you've had, right?
Yeah,
Like
actually
what do
true.
you?
Yeah.
What would I miss? Like
Yeah.
what would I think? Yeah, I was actually too busy also like just rebelling and having fun.
Yeah.
So just like the sad things never came to me, and there was a lot to do. Like I would go to school. Before that, I would have a fight with Nani. Then I would come back and like try to figure out a way. How do I steal money from her? Then how do I go spend it without the shopkeepers coming and telling her ki? Because that's what happened once. I took a 500 rupee note and I went to the store and bought one big like dairy milk from there. And then the shopkeeper came and said, "Ye dekho." She came with so much money. So then there was all that planning, plotting going on. Ki ye kaise karenge? And it was really nice because then we had like tenants who used to live on top of our house, like on the first floor. So I became friends with them, and then we would figure out कि अच्छा today now we feel like having chaat. How do we have chaat today? And then there would be this big whole day would go in planning कि अच्छा उसके लिए आलू चाहिए, एक आलू चाहिए, अंडा चाहिए. We need onion. How do we get that? अब मैं नीचे घर से लेके आऊँगी तो my nanny would get really upset about it. So then I would have to figure out. I used to go in the whole mohalla. See, in one house I would go say, नानी एक अंडा मांग रही है. And they'd also be very confused that this 6-year-old is coming. So they say, हाँ ठीक है 2 अंडे ले लो. Then I'd go to another place. नानी घी मांग रही है. And then eventually my nanny found out that I was going around doing this. But like there was a lot going on, you know, like the whole day. And I'm see all of this would never happen in Bombay.
Correct.
Yeah.
You know, like
That
these
sense
kind
of
of
community of
yeah,
knowing
and
everyone.
like and also like everything I feel like in a city is so easy, right? It's so convenient. It's like given to you. Like for us to like if I remember I wanted to have a New Year's party because I saw it on TV, like some Disney पे I saw okay New Year's party होती है.
You wanted to become Hannah Montana also.
That was a lot later, yeah.
And Anjali.
Yeah, that was a lot later.
I think everybody wanted to become Anjali.
Really?
Yeah,
Of course.
yeah. Yeah. So even the New Year's party, like my nanny made me celebrate New Year's at 9 p.m. She's saying, हाँ no हो गए 12 बज गए अब काटो केक. What was the cake? It was a Maggie cake. She's like cake काटो खाओ और सो जाओ. So that was what it was, you know. And we were okay. Like I was okay with it. I was like हाँ ऐसे ही होता होगा. Like how do you know it happens at 12 o'clock and all. So stuff like that. But yeah, it was fun.
When did you speak to your father first?
When I was like 19, I think my brother called me and he said, "Do you want to talk to him?" And I was like, okay, yeah, like okay, sure, whatever. I met my brother a few years before that. I think a year or 2 years before that. And I was like, okay. And my dad just said, "Come home, I want to meet you." And I said, okay. The first time I met him also, in my head, I thought he's just going to be this like very strict person. I don't know why. Just because I'd never met him, I thought he'll be strict. And then he started joking with me. And I was like, oh, he's so nice. Like, he's so fun. And I also realized I'm a lot like him. Like, the more time I started spending with him, talking to him, I realized, shit, we're the same people. Like, he'll also try to like, deflate conversations with jokes and like, you know, do these big gestures for people. And I think he's also super fun, yeah.
Yeah, he is super fun.
He's very fun,
He still is a very, very, very nice guy.
Yeah, very
He
witty,
always.
Yeah.
Yeah. वो तो
Circumstances.
Shadi
It's a
is
situation.
not like a husband-wife. Shadi is the full गाँव.
Yeah, everybody is. It was not between two people.
मतलब उन दोनों में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट आसपास के जो सब लोग हैं उनको प्रॉब्लम है. तो शादी हमारे यहाँ आई थिंक आई डोंट नो अबाउट मेट्रोज, बट जो छोटे शहर हैं और टाउन है वो उसी वजह से टूटती हैं कि गाँव को परेशानी है.
And you know when you obviously had to go and work then because you had to provide for her, for yourself. How did you make that decision ki chalo I'll leave her and I'll go to Bombay again?
So I had started this workshop for soft furnishings like curtains and throws and all. And I was doing all rightish. Then we had to come to Bombay for something. We came to Bombay and somebody said कि अरे आप तो पहले फिल्म्स करती थी, आजकल तो आपको पता है सीरियल्स शुरू हो गए हैं और and they are very good. So I said यार I don't now remember. I actually didn't remember how to act. फिर वो किसी तरह से I was ready to. So I went to this production house and I went to this channel. There was this girl and she came and she said, ये है आपका audition का lines. I was like, audition?
When you're struggling, the world is really bad.
Yeah,
It's the moment you start struggling, suddenly same people are nicer, same situations are nicer, people are looking at you kinder. And you're struggling.
नहीं, and she just मतलब she didn't throw, but she
It was very
आगे अरे चलो ना करके निकलो यहाँ से टाइप. So one creative girl comes and she said आपने पहले काम किया है क्या? I said हाँ, yes. She said नहीं, you speak very weirdly. I said okay, so just tell me how should I speak. So she said नहीं, तुम्हारा मुंह नहीं खुलता है पूरा. I said okay. But उस टाइम तक I was on this path of becoming थोड़ा सा कि ठीक है, what do you call बेगैरत in English? Shameless. No, हाँ बेगैरत better है sound. I said कि ठीक है आप बता दीजिए किस तरह बोलना है. तो she said कि अरे somebody will come and tell her. Obviously I didn't get that job because they thought I was speaking very oddly, and then my Sarkar, and after that my the other film, which one, D, got released, and I was thinking about that girl. Okay, at that time only I had given audition kind of a thing. No, I didn't actually.
Yeah.
For Sarkar I didn't.
You didn't. You just
No.
got the part.
Part.
Wow.
How did you just get the part? Please tell me.
So I got a call from some casting director.
And you had
don't-
already done your TV show by
हाँ, I was doing the TV show.
Ah.
I was doing a TV show called Chi and Me.
Then you got a call.
Call and they said कि वो एक मतलब जूड़ा साड़ी एंड जूड़ा एंड मिनिमल मेकअप एंड ऐसे आप आ जाइएगा फैक्ट्री वहाँ था. So I said अच्छा साड़ी एंड जूड़ा, so like wet tight जूड़ा I made, and अच्छी सी आंखें बना के I went there. Ramu looked at me and he said no, you have to make your hair very messy and no makeup. I said sir I don't have makeup on. He said no I don't want your
I make up also.
I said okay. मैं वहाँ जाके सब छुटा के आए. He said yeah, and then he said this is the part and there are no major lines and all. I said okay, and
That's
how-
it.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
That's
And
it.
actually,
I love
on paper, that character was not that prominent. After first scene which we shot, he must have realized, कि, you know, it's adding, this character is adding to the whole frame. So, हर frame में फिर आता गया.
And when did you two start, or do you two, discuss your relationships, who you're, like I know you've spoken about who you're dating, etc. So वो conversation कैसे होती है?
It's very irritating. I didn't want to tell her. When I had my first boyfriend, she just knew.
Yeah. Oh, अच्छा, I get
I
that
was very
point.
irritated. I was like, I don't want to tell you, but like, why do you know it? She's like, no, I know you're dating so and so person. I was like, Arey, but I don't want to talk about it.
Aishu, can we tell her about that place? I went for the shoot and I
So what do you all discuss about relationships? What do you tell her and what do you tell her?
I mean, it's mostly me trying to advise her, which is very
Oh,
funny.
you trying to advise her?
Yeah.
Okay.
because things have changed. I was under a rock for too many years,
Yeah.
and people have changed.
People have changed.
Relationship have become. हिमेश जी ने बिल्कुल सही कहा था कि it's complicated. I didn't agree with him then, but on camera I would like to say, Himesh Reshammiya ji, you were right. It is complicated. He knew about it.
Way back, he was
Yeah,
visionary.
yeah, he was.
I'm telling you.
Yeah. It is complicated, man. It is.
So what advice do you give her?
I just tell her not to take people for what they say.
Like
you
face
know?
value पे मत
Like
लेना.
face value पे
हाँ.
नहीं, because she'll believe anything you tell her. Now I think things are different, and I'm not just talking about a particular person or B person. I'm just saying in general, if like she'll see something on Instagram and she'll be like, look at this person so and so, and like, you know, his life is like this and she's living like this. And there's so many times I see it's a fake profile or some random person. I'm like,
How would you know that it's a fake profile? Yeah.
How do you not realize? She's like, but why would someone make a fake profile? I said, exactly for this, really. Yeah, like you have to really tell her that, you know, what this person is saying is not as is. Like even with friendships, she'll be like, oh, she said this, now why is she doing this? I said, that's how people are.
Yeah.
You know, so I think those are the conversations we have a lot where she's very confused with that. Why would this, like someone say something and do otherwise? Why
otherwise,
actions
yeah,
and words
yeah.
not matching, you know?
You're a good
So,
soul.
yeah.
I think this generation is
है ना?
for you. Yeah.
no, even her generation was the same. It's just her who is this way. Like,
Yeah.
But I'm glad,
Yeah.
like slowly curtains
She's
are being
raised.
raised.
Yeah, but and I don't want to be that person who would be skeptical about के अरे ये कौन अच्छा ये, you know, I would like to feel, I like to feel कि जो ये कह रहे हैं खुशी खुशी अच्छा कह रहे हैं, this is what it is,
Yeah.
and let's have fun and घर में बैठे हैं या जो भी कुछ हो रहा है.
And you know, given your journey, you know, you've seen a lot and you've lived different lives effectively. Right? What advice do you give her? about life, and that don't, the most common is don't make the mistakes I've made, for example. And
You know, that's what I really love about her. She doesn't give any advice.
no, she's like,
Yeah.
you live.
She's like, you do what you have to do,
Yeah.
and she's like, so and so, like, you know what has happened to me in my life. She's never, some advices she gives which are really like out of jokes, and earlier I would take it seriously, and now I realize, no, those are just jokes. But yeah, she's been very chill. Like, she's like, do
I
whatever
don't want
makes
to
you
give
happy.
advice.
Yeah,
मतलब
let her do.
normal advice के बाल कैसे और कपड़े कैसे वो उसमें but earlier I used to feel नहीं यार ठीक है ना हो जाएगा
सबकी जर्नी है.
सबकी जर्नी है. What if I'll tell Aisha कि अच्छा इस तरह के किसी लड़के के साथ don't be friendly or don't be in love with this kind of a person. But I know that when she'll fall in love with that kind of a person, she will not listen to anybody. That's what happens.
Yeah.
But it's so, like, I have seen a lot, ek to girls and mothers is such a complicated relationship that's never spoken about. If you see films, it's always about fathers and daughters,
yeah.
sons and mothers, brother and sisters. You will never see mothers and daughters actually being spoken about, and hence for me it was so confusing that what is the right way to
Be.
like, because you have so many, you're interacting every second, every single day, and also, like, I have seen a lot of my friends, not just female, even like boys, struggle with like something that a mother will say just in a passing.
Yeah.
Something not very seriously. It could be something about their appearance. It could be something about their behavior. It could be about the clothes that they're wearing. And like I know a lot of, it's not coming from a bad place, but they'll just say, "ये कैसे कपड़े पहने, ये तुम पे अच्छे नहीं लगते." That plays such a strong part in your entire life. I know so many of my female friends who maybe before wearing a certain color, before wearing a certain kind of a skirt or a dress, and then they have to really tell themselves, "No, I can't do it," because at some point their mom basically like passed a comment saying that, "ये अच्छा नहीं लगता तुम पे. Why are you wearing why is your hair cut in this way? It doesn't look good on you." And we're obviously all grown up and we're like, no, don't say this about me. And, you'll say, nahi, it looks nice on me. I like it. But it always like stays in your head. And I don't think that's the same case with fathers and kids. I think moms are also like, rightly so, moms are on a certain pedestal. So I'm glad she doesn't tell me anything, because then I would be the one struggling with those thoughts,
I think one should be very, very careful about, passing comment on anybody's
actually.
Clothes or how they look or how their
That's
hair
what mom
is.
tells all my friends, you become fat, you need to work. She'll tell all of me that you put on weight, and then somehow, and I always used to think that it's such a bad thing, unko kitna like bura lagega and all, and they all take her very seriously. Then they all start like working out.
It's motivating.
And motivational. I'm like, why is it not working?
And I feel कि वो बच्चे जो मतलब they are like
with her it's a different case. Like when she tells them, they also like love her a lot. So it works, but sorry.
They were there like when I hit rock bottom.
Like her friends.
Her friends only.
Oh wow.
One or two my friends also, but her friends, they used to be like सुबह से दोपहर के लिए these guys will be there, फिर दोपहर से शाम के लिए these guys will be there, and they would not leave me alone because I was on some other trip only.
So when your mother hits rock bottom and
She hit once, and I don't think she's allowed to do that ever again.
No,
Like,
she's
I don't
not
think-
at all.
I can't deal with it. I don't think I have it in me to like see her struggle at all. Like, obviously she can when but I don't think I'll be able to take it. That's why I'm always like telling her, no, this is not right. No, like this person
like you
saying
obviously feel protective.
No, but
because you don't wanna see
that's
her.
fine also.
Yeah, because you don't want to see her like that again.
वो अलग बात है कि इंसान सुनता है अपने दिल की ही है. ये मिसाल भी है ना कि सुनो सबकी बट करो अपने दिल की.
How do you cope when sometimes when you feel protective and you feel like the parent sometimes, and I know
it's so
and it's okay.
irritating.
I know kids say this a lot while growing up, that I feel like I'm the parent. So how did you deal with that phase that she was going through?
I didn't actually. I really like, my friends would also like constantly tell me, or even her friends would meet me and tell me that you've been so strong through it. How do you do it? And I was like, I'm not doing anything. Things are happening and I'm just there. Like it's what is that word? Damage control, you know, you're just there and you're needed for something, you do that thing. But I think a lot of months after that is when like things started. Like I genuinely like, it took a toll on me. Like the many months, I don't think even she knows it, where I would just cry randomly and like my poor boyfriend would like just be sitting there looking at me and like, it's okay. And I'm like, no, it's not okay. What is okay? And
But
then
you
I'm
were
like, well, why
very
am I-
strong.
I
actually.
was, but like the months after that got very difficult.
Very
Like I would like, we'd be planning to go somewhere and suddenly I'm just sitting and crying and he's like, it's okay, we don't have to go. And I'm like, yeah, I don't know. And then I was like, I don't know what's happening to me, but you know, and then I would talk to my friends about it and then they were like, okay, now we see you're human, you know, seeing you in all those months, it felt like you're this like godlike person, but like it all just came out later.
Yeah.
So luckily I had my friends and I had my boyfriend and they're like, yeah, this is normal, you know, and they would be very happy when they'd see me cry. They're like, good, it's coming out.
Yeah.
And now it's normal.
But मेरी जो पलट होती है ना, when I'm into it and I'm like, I had become how like I had become 55 kgs.
Yeah, she wouldn't eat, she would just cry.
I would
she'd
just
like,
get up and
yeah.
faint. Get up and faint. But after that,
So we had gone for my friend's sister's wedding and
Yeah.
and everybody knew what was happening. Like their families knew what was happening. Like everyone was, and suddenly everyone's like looking at mom. She's dancing and she's like getting ready and she's taking pictures and every like the extended family is so excited to see her. They're like, who is she? Is she related to us? And we're like, no, it's sister's friend or whatever. And then like I saw her there and I was like, wow, it's almost like the past 6 months didn't happen.
yeah.
And how did it strengthen both your bond? You know, because when you go through something like this, there's a lot, right? That's even said, it's even unsaid
Unsaid, yeah.
between the two of you. Like I don't think necessarily you'll sit and discuss that. Oh, how strong our bond has
Yeah,
become.
yeah.
But there are things, right, where you both just know. So how is that for both of you with each other?
You say, no, this is such a easy question. You go for it. I'll take the tough ones.
No, I think what it did was that we're always like I said earlier also, and rightly so, like parents are always put on a pedestal, right? That they are like they're God and they can't do anything wrong and everything that they say is right. And I think it just helped me understand that even my mom's human, you know, and it helped me understand that I can think of her as another person. And otherwise it was like, I don't know, like your parents don't fall in a human like category for anybody. And I think growing up does that to you, where you start understanding, okay, my mom is like this, my dad is like this is what they like, what they don't like, these are their shortcomings, these are their strengths. You don't think of that in your childhood or even like at a younger age, and it doesn't happen to a lot of people for their entire lives. I think, you know, you never
Really know.
no.
No,
Yeah,
yeah.
and your brain doesn't want to also know. So I think like that whole situation just made me humanize her.
लोगों का कुछ ऐसा होता. It's not complicated.
Yeah, so thank
This is not
God. Yeah, this is not
complicated.
complicated. Yeah.
Yeah.
Some relationships should not be.
Not
you know,
be,
it
yeah.
just it's
No relationship should be complicated.
Complicated,
But some
yeah.
especially, right?
Yeah,
Like every
yeah,
day when
yeah.
you're living together, it can't be complicated
Complicated,
and
yeah.
heavy and stressful.
No, but
Family
Yeah.
should not be
Yeah.
complicated.
No, even
Family and
friendships.
friends.
I think
Yeah.
any
Yeah.
relationship shouldn't be complicated because you're anyway fighting against the world every single day. Because like I've seen her journey or her life or how she deals with people. Like for me, even more, I'm like, I do not want to have any subtext. I don't want to live in that, oh, you said this, but I know you meant it. No.
Yeah, this is what I
Yeah.
mean.
This is what I
Yeah.
mean and this is what I want. There is no, okay, oh, I want that, but I mean this. Work-wise, I'm very, reject me, I'm okay with that, but don't tell me that, you know, we are
Yeah,
saying no
so
because
but,
actually this is, I'm like, no.
Just tell me straight.
Yeah.
It's just so much easier. It saves so
Easier.
much time.
For your growth, I think in any way, work, relationship, friendships, whatever, like honesty is very important, and like also don't be mean about it.
Yeah,
Obviously,
just
like you don't have to tell me I suck, but like, yeah, I'm not good enough for this. So you know, we just need to work on it. Like I think.
Have you both ever been in a situation where you're like both going on date night and exchanging advice? No.
I don't think.
मुझे लगता है मेरे लिए अभी कोई स्पेशल बन रहा है ऊपर. The more you wait, the hot you date. मेरा वाला जल चुका है.
Wow, where have you heard that?
मेरा वाला जल के कबाब या कुछ तो नान वान बन चुका है एंड गॉड हैज डिसाइडेड
Gluing on top.
इतना मतलब उसको पका दिया ऊपर वाले ने कि वो जल चुका है अभी.
But are you still you want to look for love and you want to find it?
Yeah, I like to look for love in everything, like with people, with things, like
Yeah, she loves love, and I think it's also a generational thing where like
Yeah.
love was fantasized and it
Yeah.
was the it and all. I mean, it is for everybody, but like I think their generation more so it's like those
Yeah.
Pakistani dramas na कि वो आ रहे हैं और उन्होंने मेरी जिंदगी बदल दी and just like
yeah, but
being in
that's
love.
like
love.
that's love.
So I think there was an interview where a woman said that Shah Rukh Khan ruined my life because
Yeah.
he romanticized men like
yeah.
so much. I think that's
वो वाले men किधर हैं?
नहीं है.
Even I'm a romantic, so I'm like
Yeah, no.
the gestures. I am a romantic.
You are na, you
Yeah,
look
like the
romantic.
gestures and I want everything.
Yeah.
I don't want to compromise on love. Means
Yeah.
what? There's so many.
No,
other
I
things that we're
also want
constantly
everything.
compromising
I
on.
want the big gestures and I want the small gestures, but
small
I'm
gestures
not,
also. Yeah.
I'm not like dependent on that. I'm like, it's fine. I'll go do it for myself.
And I want to say one more thing. That okay, we all are adults here. Aisha, how old? I know. इससे पहले ये अपनी सच्ची एज बताए. I'm like नहीं. But we all know that any relationship which is called love relationship, it is going to end in a physical relationship, right?
Yeah.
That is the thing कि वो हो गई, वो ही मतलब अंत नहीं जो भी है. बट मैंने कुछ टर्म्स सुने हैं एंड आई वाज लाइक कि यार ये तो जहां पर खत्म होता है वहां से शुरू हो रहा है और फिर हम लोग बैकवर्ड्स जा रहे हैं. रोमांस एंड में हो रहा है.
Oh.
Huh.
या
No, but that's not everybody or everything.
या
But
बट
it
मुझे
is- okay, but it's easy. It is more. I don't know how to put it like in PG though. Like I mean, sexual relationships are more easily accessible nowadays. That's that. But that does not mean that every relationship is that.
Yeah. How has your transition been? Jab you moved out of, you were with your the person you were living with to now. Did it take a lot of adjusting? Ki, we don't know how to live, like you said that it's the first time you're living each other. वो transition कैसे हुआ?
I think it's been quite seamless. Because,
but a little bit because I was too dependent on the person, because I made sure that I should not get worried about things, because he knew that I get anxieties and my depression and everything. So yeah, that took a little adjusting, but then I thought कि इतना मुश्किल भी नहीं है.
I think I would like to give myself credit in that.
Yeah,
also.
that
like
also.
because you started like being really dependent on me for everything, and for me it was suddenly like, wait, what? No, but ये तो हो सकता है ना, मतलब like why do I have to be there? So like now also there are a lot of things where she'll be like, I can't do it, you have to figure it out, and then I have to be the bad cop where I'm like, no, you can do it on your own, do it, and she gets very upset also with me.
That doesn't apply when you have to import pictures from a camera to a mobile.
No, that's a different thing. But like in London, I remember we had a fight where every day she's like, okay, I have to do this, I have to do this. You have to come with me here. You have to come with me here. You have to come with me here. And from like she like I think
Because I needed somebody to click my pictures.
no, from the age of 16, I have I think been so I don't know, independent or what. She never like got in my way, never told me
Yeah.
ये ऐसे होता है वैसे होता है. I went, found my own way, found my own friends. Even with like auditions and everything, she was very like, she made sure that I do things on my own. So I was so used to being on my own and doing things on my own term and living my life that suddenly now she'd be like, no, you have to do this with me. We have to do this. I'm like, ये तो नहीं हो सकता है. ये मैं I feel like a 12-year-old, कि अब suddenly I have to, be with her for everything. So I remember one day I told her, I said, you know how to see the maps. Just see the map and follow the route, and that's where you'll reach. And then
She's telling me in London.
And then she did, and like then she every day after that went on her own.
And then
found-
somebody churrowed my phone.
Yeah, that was just unfortunate that the
Yeah.
one day in Amazon with her phone got stolen, and I was like, why does it have to
London is
happen?
infamous.
Arey
If
ma.
if you've not lost your phone or cash or something.
Yeah, but it
It
was
is.
unfortunate because the one day I said you have to be independent, do things on your own. She's come back crying. She said, and then I was so guilty. I was feeling so bad. I was like, one day that I decided that I will not, tell her what to do, where to go. Ye ho gaya. But then after that, she was almost roaming around the whole city like it's her own. But I think that has been the shift now, and I think we're getting used to like having our own lives all over again, where she's also like gotten in touch with a lot of her old friends, and she has her
Yeah.
own day. Some like for the podcast, I had to ask her, "You have time, na? Matlab, can we do it?" And then she's like, "Haan, theek hai. Okay, we can figure it
So
out." And all
sweet.
of that. So yeah, it's coming together. It is interesting, but yeah, I feel like I do feel like the parent sometimes.
Who was the last person you stalked?
Oh, really? I never stalk anybody. I was just stalking a designer whose clothes I like. Let's put it like that.
And it went well. And then she comes and tells you that this is.
Yeah.
This
May-
Sometimes I'm like,
Eventually,
don't
so-
tell me some things, like I don't
Yeah.
want to know, because then I start getting worried. Kiri, अब ऐसा हो गया तो what if she finds out about something that she doesn't want to find out about, but then now I've also turned into that parent, like let them be, they like
them
learn
be,
on their
let
own,
them
right?
Today morning,
What happened?
what happened in the car when we were here? So I saw like of this particular person who is very, 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 and so I asked her that.
Someone she really
One
admires, whose work she admires, reacted on, I'll tell you, reacted on a story. And she's- no, ma'am,
So
I'm
I was
giving
just
away
asking her, do I have to react on the reaction he sent?
Haan.
So she said, Ma, do it whatever you like.
Because every time she'll ask me something, I'll tell her, नहीं ऐसे नहीं होता है, नहीं तो she'll go and do exactly what she wants to do. So today she'll tell me, मैं इसको react करूँ, and then every time she does something and then it goes wrong, she'll come and tell me, आपने बोला था पर मैंने तो ऐसा कर दिया फिर ऐसा हो गया. So I'm like, then why didn't you do what I asked you to do? Today again she'll ask me, do I react on the reaction? I said नहीं, but करना चाहिए ना. I said, do whatever you want to do. It's fine. Then she gets upset with me that I'm not telling her. Yeah.
नहीं मुझे कुछ टेक्निकलिटीज नहीं बताना कि आप लाइक पे लाइक कर सकते कि नहीं.
कर सकते हैं क्या?
So I'll do it now.
Yeah, you can. I mean, depends.
Yeah.
Where you want the conversation to go.
Go, yeah.
See, if you get a reaction and then you react on that reaction, it means you're quite enthusiastic.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you just see it and reply
Yeah.
later.
नहीं भाई ये नहीं हो पाता मुझसे. Because if I'm excited, if I like a person,
There will be 10,000 emojis going. Like, here, take all the hearts.
like who would have stopped on one love letter? तो emojis वही हो गया ना शायद.
Give and take, give
Modern
and
day,
take.
Modern day love letter.
Yeah.
And I don't understand games. If you like me, if I like this person, I like you, you're very good, you have these qualities. No, there are some people who would, एक मिसाल है, नाक यहाँ से पकड़ो या नाक यहाँ से पकड़ो एक ही बात होती है, बट नाक वहां से आके पकड़ो is I don't know, it's cruel. You just can't be one day become this devil of a person and try to crush that other person with who you have spent so many days or years, and you have said all sort of things to that person, and एक दिन आप को ये ख्याल आया कि नहीं अब तो मैं इसको,
Yeah.
what kind of a mentality is that?
Can
That's
I
it.
tell you a funny story about
Not
this?
mine.
No, my
Haan,
story.
yeah.
Like when I was in 6th standard, I had this huge crush on this boy, and he was known to be the Casanova. Imagine 6th standard, okay? I really loved him, and he also I told my friend I really like him. I wrote lyrics of a song on a notebook and I gave it to her. I said, just give it to him. Like, like he just found it or whatever. So she went and told him, and he also was really nice to me, and I used to be really chubby. And then eventually I got to know he's dating someone else, and I was like, oh, he was interested in me, and I was really heartbroken, and I had like cut my hand and like written an alphabet and all of that.
Runs
6th
in the
standard,
family.
okay, and full chubby. And then one day I decided, I'm gonna confront him. So I went to him, I told him, I said, just because I'm fat, you're like this with me and you don't like me. You should have told me, that you don't like me and you're just playing around with me and all. So he was just like shocked, and he was looking at me, and he was my senior, and he's saying, मैं ये थोड़ी ना आके बोल सकता था कि I'm just doing it for fun, like how can I tell you that I'm just with you for fun? And I was very upset. I said, you should have told me. I would be okay then. I thought you were in love with me, like why did you say you love me? You said I love you, and then you told me good night and all of those. No, maybe not I love you, but good night and I like you, whatever it was in those days. So this reminds me of that actually. This is like, this is same, like how I felt in 6th standard.
What people say and what they mean is so different. You have to kind of, judge and make like.
But I think you have to also, I feel like, I think, now that we're talking about men, I don't want to like be so like talking in subtext. Men are scared to hurt women, especially in nowadays, men are really scared to be called names. They are very scared to be categorized as the bad person. So I think I think we have to also give them that leeway of, I don't know how to put it, like you have to also, how do I put it correctly where I don't get trolled? I don't know, where you have to also have this open conversation and like tell them कि I am okay to hear whatever it is that you want to hear.
Yeah.
It's not that and I don't want to just hear what I want to hear. I'm open to even hear your side of things.
But that doesn't happen, no?
Correct.
That doesn't
then they're bad
happen.
people. Then I don't know what to say because
that doesn't happen. If you will tell, like people, no, not people. Like I've got these messages and everything on my DM, and there were like 1 or 2 guys very direct, and I was very direct. कि भाई this is not what is happening. So and they were very direct. और उसके बाद मतलब ठीक है, फिर वो गायब है. तो ऐसा भी नहीं कि मुझे उनको ब्लॉक करना पड़ रहा है या ये करना पड़ रहा है, वो करना पड़ रहा है. They knew their shit. कि भाई ये है, अब आपको I said भैया मैं नहीं, तो that chapter is closed.
Like what your expectations are from the other
like
person.
it's not happening.
Yeah, then you are not कि oh he loves me not, he loves me not हो रहा है, but जो वो नहीं होता ना, you're clear.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, that should. हम लोग काम में परेशानी उठाते हैं, वी आर स्ट्रगलिंग काम के लिए, यहाँ से वहाँ, इमोशनल भी, फिजिकल भी, मेंटल भी. कम से कम जो पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स होती हैं, एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग ओनली अबाउट रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप्स, बट भाई बहन की, माँ बाप की, रिश्तेदारों की, वो रिश्ते ऐसे होने चाहिए कि भाई ठीक है, थोड़ी बहुत तो हर जगह चलता है, बट हाँ ठीक है. Because when you are out of the house, you have so many problems.
Yeah, relationships and conversations should be easier.
Okay, so hopefully we understand a little more about that. We have a typical mother-daughter segment. Okay, so I'm going to ask you some questions about each other, and then you have to tell me.
I'm so excited.
Okay. Rukhsar, what's the one thing Aisha always does that drives you mad, but you've just accepted कि this is never going to change?
Yeah, when she's going out and I ask her, where are you going? She's like ambiguous. मालूम नहीं क्या हो रहा है.
Because, tell me something, in 25 years of my life, she has never asked me where am I going, who am I going with, what time I'm going to come back. Now suddenly everything revolves around me.
Yeah.
Where are you going, what are you doing, who are you meeting, why are you going like this, what time you'll be back. My brain doesn't know how to, like, I don't know that even if I want to say, no, I'm going to so and so place and then so and so, कुछ और ही निकलता है मेरे मुंह से. I don't know.
So we're very aware.
Yeah, we're aware.
Aisha, what is the one thing that your mom says that you've heard 100 times and still ignore every time?
अकेले मत आना रात को. And she knows मैं अकेले आऊंगी. But still like कोई drop कर देगा ना. One friend lives in Goregaon, one friend lives in Jogeshwari, one is in Versova, and she'll like, कोई drop कर देगा ना. I'm like, yeah. कौन drop करेगा? And poor Rohan is always, Rohan drop कर देगा.
और मैं सोच रही हूँ रोहन कांदीवली में रहता है, बोरीवली में रहता है, वो हमेशा बेचारा आता है यहाँ सेंटर क्रूज ड्रॉप करने. He's such a nice man, nice boy he is. Then I realized, one second.
Something is not adding up.
Yeah.
Rukhsar, have you ever stalked Aisha's friends or co-stars on Instagram?
No. No.
She's like, I don't care.
Friends I know and co-stars तो बेचारे not बेचारे सब अच्छे हुए हैं.
Plebs.
So Aisha, growing up, did you have any of those DIY remedies, you know, which everybody says, you know, कि ये डालो, वो डालो, especially from her, that you still use today?
There is DIY for everything. For a hair mask, for a face mask, for a feet mask, for a hand mask. Like she has what is that oil that you used to make with kadhi patta, hibiscus oil, and
Hibiscus
anda and banana.
flower, yeah,
hibiscus
yeah.
flower, and there's anda and banana for hair, which is great. But बाद में वो banana doesn't leave your hair. You'll be like finding pieces of it like every now and then. Then for what is that? For detanning, there's like Upton. We found the other one, ना वो जो डब्बे में paste आता था.
Ready ना.
Yeah,
Mama.
The Mama Earth one, which is easier because it's like
it's
already made and you put it on your
yeah.
face and you're done. Thank God.
आपको मटके के ऊपर मटका चढ़ा के हल्के कोयले में चीजें नहीं रखनी पड़ती.
Yeah, which is like a whole biryani recipe, which was there, but yeah.
Now it's
these
easier.
new things.
Beauty is easier.
Beauty is easier. And I think we're all going back to DIY. So
Yeah.
I think that's
Yeah.
really helpful.
Okay, so we're down to the last segment. We thought of writing letters because you believe in romanticism, and we should romanticize this beautiful relationship that the two of you have. In a letter you want to write to each other. So we have this little notepad and things.
Oh, we'll have to write it now?
Yeah,
Or-
like it can be anything. It can be
Okay.
a short, sweet letter that you
Okay.
just want to say to her and you want to say to her, and then we'll read it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I'm stressed.
I'll take that. Yeah. Let me. Okay.
Oh my god, I made PTSD with these writing boards. It's
Yeah,
exact
yeah,
writing
yeah,
boards.
So 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
It's not a competition.
Okay, so now we're going to read the letters.
Okay.
Who wants to go? You go.
More.
First. No, you go first.
Okay. I have a drawing also. It is you and me with the heart. It says you and me forever, and then the drawing. Thank you, I love you. And there's a lot of subtext to follow up in the follow up long letter, because this is like so small and like with us. Yeah. Read?
Oh. Dear Aisha, you have been the best daughter always. From the day you were born and I looked into your eyes to this day and forever, I'm proud of you. I love you, Ma.
Oh, it's so sweet.
Thank you.
So many people out there are going to relate, and so many people love both of you. I love both of you, and I feel like I've known you for many, many, many years.
Yeah, now I feel like you know
Yeah.
us. Like you know
Yeah.
everything about us.
Now we've gone
Yeah.
from Rukhsar to Ruxi, I would like to say.
No, but we don't know anything about you. So
Yeah.
we need to
so
have
we'll do
like
this. I'll come home.
Yeah,
Second
we'll do this kind of setup.
Again?
Yeah, we'll do
I'll be with the mic.
Okay, fine, done. It'll be fun. And I'm going to just say that you guys have been so amazing and so honest and so real, and I think that that's what makes it really special. And it doesn't feel like, I think throughout the episode I felt mother-daughter, then I felt like friends, then I felt like flatmates, then I
Yeah.
felt like just really good people together. So thank you so much for doing this with us.
No, thank you for
Thank
having
you
us,
for
and like
having
thank
us
you for
over,
making
yeah.
this so comfortable where we
Yeah.
could just really talk and not feel exposed. I don't
Yeah.
know.
And
like
we'll
the
do-
warmth was really, really. Thank
Yeah.
you for that.
And we'll do
yeah.
many. We'll have a playlist
Inshallah.
of this. But thank you.
Yeah, I really feel like you're a friend, huh?
Yeah.
Now, like, God
Now
bless
we're
you.
friends.
Like,
Yeah, now we're
Yeah.
friends. I really don't think there could have been a more perfect episode.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you.
Thank you for being the best community, and we'll see you in the next one.